All right, so greetings. Welcome to Eureka Math Squared. This is grade 6, module 4, lesson 3, hanging out with exponents. So it's all about exponents. Okay? And exponents, by its very definition, is really just repeated multiplication. That's all it is. And it looks pretty cool, too, when you're working with it. So let's see. Let's take this guy over here. 2 to the third power. So a couple things you need to know. Number 1, right? Oh, I guess we can just say that, right? So it's 2. Oopsie. Right, so 2 to the third power, or 2 to the power of 3. You could do that as well. This is called the base number, right, the big guy, and this is called the exponent. Okay, and when you write it like this is called exponential notation. Exponential notation. Right. Okay. Pretty cool. And what it means is, all right, 2 to the third power means you're going to take your base number and you're going to write it as a factor 3 times, right? As a factor 3 different times. Why do I keep doing that? There you go. And there you go. So 2 is now being written as a factor 3 different times. 1, 2, 3. 2 to the 5th power would be 2 as a factor 5 times. 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's basically it. That's that's exponents. The only thing you have to do is pull off the actual arithmetic, right? So kids love to think that this is really 2 times 3 and that equals 6, but that's not true. If I have 2 listed as a factor 3 times, 2 times 2 gives me 4. Bring that guy down, right? And then 4 times 2 gives me 8. So be careful, okay? So 2 to the third power equals 8. There you are. All right. A couple of other little bugaboos. They have some fun ones that have their own little name, right? Like this guy. You could also say this is 2 squared if there's a 2 exponent. And this guy would be cubed, right? So you could have 7 squared, you could have 7 cubed, that kind of thing. Okay, and so we could take a look over here. This guy's not right. No way, because 3 has to be listed as the factor 2 times. So that guy's wrong. He should be a 3. This is addition, so that's wrong. It has to be multiplication. Let's see, 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No. This isn't 4 times 5. This would be addition if that's 4 times 5, right? Because that would be 4 groups of 5. This guy looks good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nope, that's not true because the base number is 5. So this would have to be 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. He wouldn't even be there. But this guy, base number 5, good. And there are 4 factors. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. So I like that one. Okay. And that's basically how it went or how it goes, right? So let's see. Write an expanded form. 3 is the base number, right? And it has to be listed as a factor 6 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There you go. And this guy, 6 is my base number. 1, 2, 3, there are 4 of them. So 6 to the 4th power. Exponential notation. Okay, there it is. Okay. And what else? Because I think that's just about it. And let's see, anything we can have some fun in here. Yeah, they just want expanded form over here. So that's 7, right? Listed as a factor twice, and so on. This guy's kind of fun. 5 listed as a factor 3 times 10. So it just goes right on the tail end like that. Okay. And this guy here, he's kind of fun. Here's 9 as a factor 3 times 4 as a factor twice. Okay. And that's basically it. All right. The only other thing you might want to know is that anything raised to a 0 power is 1, right? Because how I was taught was, let's say 9 to the third power is really 1 times 9 times 9 times 9. Okay. But whoever cares about the 1, because anything times 1 is itself, right? So they never write it. So if you have 9 to the 0 power, you write the 1 first, and then you don't have any 9s. There are no 9s, but there's the 1. Right, so anything lifted to or raised to the 0 power is 1. All right, so that's exponents in a glance, in a nutshell, right? That's the deal, folks. Hope you enjoyed that. Take care. So long.